What's up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee.
And here's the Catskill News. How about that sports podcast?
Looks like it has some potential.
They transformed the room yesterday.
And haven't fully cleaned up yet.
Check out their first episode
on the Catskill Media YouTube page.
We want to wish a warm welcome to our district interim superintendent, Mr. Bongiovi. He had our teacher and staff complete a scavenger hunt during a recent conference day. The activity was fun and brought the Catskill team together.
Well, greetings, Catskill Central School District. This is Superintendent Tom Bongiovi. I can't thank you enough, the faculty, the staff, the students, and the community for the fantastic welcome I've been given here at Catskill. But it is a school. I'm going to start off with a riddle and then a math equation. 3 frogs are sitting on a log. Picture that. One of the frogs decides to jump off the log. How many frogs are left? 3. You might think 2. But it's 3. Because just because he decided to jump off the log doesn't mean he did. People, students decide things all the time. Adults decide things all the time. I've decided to join a gym. I've decided to study more. I've decided to join this sport. I've decided to try out for the play. But then they don't do it. So you have to know what you want to do. Take action to get the results. K plus A equals R. Knowledge plus action equals results. So know what you want to do, take action, and you'll get results. Because the opposite is knowledge, K minus A minus action equals 0. You're not going to get anything. So in this school year, make it your goal to know what you want to do. Take action, and you'll get the results you want. So I wish everyone a fantastic school year. I'm here. Come see me. You'll see me out there at events, sporting events, drama events, and just in the school. So please come up, say hello, introduce yourself. I can't wait to meet everyone. Thank you very much. Let's have a great year. Go Catskill.
Thank you, Mr. Bongiovi, for sharing your expert experience with us at Catskill.
Hudson High School is having a college fair on October 18th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. Check out the list of colleges attending. This is a great opportunity to discover a postgraduate educational opportunity.
The class of 2024 ring ceremony will be held on September 28th at 6 p.m. in the high school auditorium.
The summer media camp was another amazing experience. Students learned how to film, edit, and produce movies for the Summer Film Festival, as well as the Cat Chat news program.
I don't want to deal with this today. Why? I don't want to deal with this today. I really don't want to deal with this today. I really don't want to deal with this today. I don't want to deal with this. Oh God, here we go.
Run.
The film festival is available on our Catskill Media YouTube page. Check it out, it's worth the watch.
There will be an all-you-can-eat pancake dinner held at Lindsay's in Leeds to benefit a former student battling cancer, Ralph Acanero, on Wednesday, September 28th from 5 to 7 p.m. Dinner includes pancake, sausage, and beverage. 100% of the proceeds will go to Ralph.
SUNY Brockport has waived their application fee through the Common App if you apply before December 1st. This is a great opportunity for our seniors.
Seniors should also complete the College Board Career Quiz by November 30th to be eligible for a $10,000 scholarship.
The class of 2023 is hosting a chicken and pulled pork barbecue fundraiser on October 7th. Dinners are $15 each and tickets must be purchased by September 30th from a member of the class of 2023 or Ms. Consul. Cash or checks payable to CCSD class of 2023. Let's all support our senior class of 2023 fundraiser.
Here's Mr. Shah with his weekly address to our students and community.
Hey, Catskill High School, it's Mr. Shah. After next week, we're going to be the end of the first interim already. So this is currently week 3. 2 more weeks and we get our first set of grades. Make sure you check your school tool parent portal. Make sure all your grades are current. Make sure your assignments are turned in. Also, this Thursday at 6 p.m., we have financial aid night for our seniors. Please stop in and see Mrs. Council and Mrs. Duncan if you have any questions to learn about how you apply to pay for college. There's a lot of good information there. After this upcoming week, we do have Homecoming Spirit Week. We'll have lots of great fun activities and lots of great dress-up days. We've got pep rally coming up, as well as picture day, homecoming court nominations. I can't keep the excitement contained anymore. Before you know it, we're going to be crowning a new set of king and queens and courts and for all this fun other stuff. That's all for now, Catskill High School. Have a great day, outstanding weekend day, everything in between, and of course, as always, go Cats. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shah.
CHS Open House is on Tuesday, October 11th, starting at 6 p.m. School clubs will be on hand in the cafeteria to share information for joining. All students and parents are encouraged to attend.
Chess Club meets every Thursday in room 137 of the high school from 2:20 to 3:30. Students may leave on the late bus or stay till 3:30 if they have their own transportation. It is a club for all levels of chess players. Beginners are welcome and encouraged. Besides being a fun way to socialize with peers, chess is a game that strengthens problem solving and academic performance overall.
Here is the CNC Sport Report.
Welcome back, Cats Nation, to the second ever CNC Sports segment. The Cats are just finishing up their 4th week of competition at the moment of recording, and all of the teams are giving it their all. Now here's Colin with Week 5 football and girls volleyball schedule.
This Saturday, the football team is set to play their only game of the week at Voorheesville High School at 1 o'clock, looking to outplay the Blackbirds on their home field. In girls volleyball news, the girls are set to play Wednesday at Waterville at 7 o'clock. They're back in action Thursday at home against Maple Hill with a 6:30 start time. Come support our girls at their only home game this week. The girls are then back on the road Friday, heading to Albany Leadership to play at 6:30. Now over to Nate with this week's soccer schedule.
This Monday, we are playing home against the Conic Hills at 7. We hope to see you all there. We are then on the road Wednesday to play a non-league game at Germantown starting at 4:15. On Saturday, we are back on the road for a 12 o'clock start at Maple Hill. The girls are set to play 2 games this week. They take a long bus ride on Monday to travel to Taconic Hills to play at 4:15. Then the girls are back at home this Wednesday to challenge Germantown up on the turf in a non-league game at 4:15. Now over to Carter with the girls' tennis schedule and Week 3 recap.
This week, the girls' tennis team has a few less games than last week. Tomorrow, they're set to play at 1 in Coxsackie. Then they challenge Coxsackie once again on Thursday, but this time at home at 4:15. All the teams fought hard this week. The boys' soccer team is 4-0 while the girls' soccer team is 3-2. The football team is looking to pick up their first win Saturday as they stand at 0-3 at the moment. Both the girls' volleyball team and tennis team are going to play hard this week and look to improve upon their records.
The other day, we recorded our very own first ever podcast, CNC Sports. We look forward to making more, and we hope that you guys enjoy them. Please check down below. There will be a link there if you would like to view that or any recommendations. We'd love to hear from you guys, and we look forward to making more podcasts.
That's all for this week. Tune in next week for your Cats coverage.
Cats Nation, let's ride!
Woo! We got.
Here's Matyas and Ary with the Catskill Weather Report.
I'm Ary.
And it's Matyas.
And here's your weekend weather. Friday the 23rd, there will be a high of 59 and a low of 48 with clear skies.
On Saturday, there will be a low of 45 and a high of 68 with partly cloudy skies.
Sunday the 25th, there will be a high of 72 and a low of 48 with clear skies.
And that's your weekend weather.
What do you call a fake noodle?
I don't know, what?
An impasta.
Here's Janae.
Thanks for watching.
Cats
Cats
can and
Cats
Cats will.